Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do another unboxing video. Today I am going to unbox Glamstory box. Again, I'm trying it for the first time, this box. So let's just open and see. I got this box from scriber.com. I told you about this site in my Eyes Crush unboxing video. So basically it's not Scriber, I pronounced it wrong, so I'm really sorry for that. It's scriber.com, as in subscribers, scriber, yeah. So I'm just gonna give you a small tour of this site, so how you can like place your order, because it's a really good site. It's one platform for all the subscription boxes available in India, and yes, you have lots of options to choose from. So I'll just give you a little demo, so just go and watch. So let me just give you a demo of the site. So in this video down below there's a link, so I'm just gonna click that and it will take you to scriber.in, and here you can see that Glamstory box, and you can order two types of boxes, their mini glam box and the premium one, and then you can select the subscription 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months or 12 months, and then you can also see all the content of the box, and then you can go ahead and subscribe this box, or you can send it as a gift if you want to gift it to someone. And then you can see if you want to buy more boxes, then you can go to continue shopping, or else you can just go and proceed to check out. So yeah, that's basically the concept of this site, and you can go and shop for the the subscription boxes. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So you just have to fill your details, and then you can just proceed the checkout. And yeah, that's it about the demo. So that was a quick demo. Now let's just come to the unboxing of the Glamstory box. It's nicely bubble wrapped. I opened the outer packaging, so I'm just gonna open the bubble wrap as well. So this is the box. It says Glamstory. It's a blue box. I really love the color of the box. It's really pretty blue. I love this kind of teal blue color. Back here, it's their Facebook and Instagram handle address, so you can just check them out. So let's just open the box, and this is what the box looks like from inside. So let's just check out the contents of this box. So first I have an info card or info page, and all the contents of the box is written with their prices. Yeah, so that's that. So let's just check out the contents one by one. So the very first thing I can see is, okay, so this is basically okay, so this is a scrubber. Basically this is a scrubber. It's a papaya facial scrub, and it's for all skin type, and it has papaya and apricot seed extract, and this retails for 495 Indian rupees. That's the first thing I got from this box. Okay, so the next thing I can see is, oh, it's a lip gloss. It's a lip color, and it's a beautiful dark berry color, good for winters, but now summers are approaching. But it's a really nice color. It says lip gloss, but I think it's a matte lipstick, and the amount of product I'm getting is 8 ml, and there's no brand on it, or maybe I am not able to see. Okay, there is a brand, but I am not able to see which brand it is. Okay, let's just read it. Okay, so this is a naked lip gloss, and this one retails for 199 Indian rupees, and the shade I'm having is number 12. All right, let's check out other things. Okay, then I have, oh, I have a makeup fixing spray. That's really nice, and it's a small little bottle, so it is a travel friendly, I would say. This is Usha's the Matte Fixer Face Spray, and it is for long lasting matte finish makeup fixer. The amount of product I'm getting here is 35 ml, that is 1.23 fluid ounce, and it retails for 599 Indian rupees. All right, so that's cool. So I'm just gonna spray and see its fragrance. It smells nice. Okay, I really don't like the nozzle of this spray, because it's not a spray, it's more of a stream, I would say. So I don't like the spray pump of this. I think I got some in my eye. Anyway, so that's that. But I can definitely try using it while traveling because of its small little size. Okay, so let me just tell you one thing. In the info page, they have written that this makeup spray retails for 199 Indian rupees, whereas when I see the MRP, it says it retails for 599. So I really don't know which is the actual price of the spray. Yeah, let's move on to other products. Next thing I can see is an eyeliner pencil, and it's by the brand called Hantia. Never heard of this brand, and I think it's not Indian. It's of some other country, like some Asian country, because there's some Asian language on it, and it stays for 36 hours and it's waterproof. Because I'm really confused whether it's an pencil eyeliner or it's a liquid eyeliner, because it says both. It says eyeliner pencil as well, it says precision liquid eyeliner as well. I have to like open it up to see what it is exactly. So the amount I'm getting is 2.5 grams and it retails for 199 rupees. Even they have said that this is 36 hours pen liner. So I'm just gonna check this out. So this is the pen eyeliner and it is quite pigmented, and you can create, I really like the tip of this, you can really create really nice thin lines or thicker lines. I like the pigmentation as well. It's really pigmented. Okay, moving on to more product. Okay, I see something in bubble wrap, so let's just open this up. It's by their brand only, Glamstory, and this is under eye gel, and you have to like apply before sleeping. And it has vitamin E oil, lemon oil, olive oil, coconut oil, essential oil, aloe vera gel, rose aqua, vitamin A oil, argan oil, vegetable glycerine, rose hip oil. All those good ingredients for your skin. And the amount of product I'm getting is 30 ml of product. So I think it's a roll-on. Yes, it's a roll-on. Smells really nice. Smells really nice. I'm just gonna try using it. Right now I use almond oil under my eyes because it does have lots of good oils. I'm definitely gonna try this one as well, and this one retails for 299 Indian rupees. Okay, I have already 5 products, but I'm still left with more products, so that's quite interesting for a subscription box. Normally subscription box consists of 3 to 4 products, but 5 are already gone and still there are more, so I'm just gonna open more. Alright, then I see a collagen mask, crystal collagen gold power eye mask, and I don't know which brand it is. I guess it's crystal only. I have already tried these kind of under eye gold mask, and they are very good and moisturizing for your under eyes. And this one retails for 100 rupees. Alright, 6 products gone. I'm still left with one more. So again, it's nicely bubble wrapped, so I'm just gonna open it. Ooh, it's makeup again. Okay, so this is by the brand called Aeolili. I don't know what it is exactly because the language written on it, again, it's some Asian language. I really don't know which language it is. So I'm just gonna open and see कि ये है क्या actual में. Is it an eyeshadow? Yes, it's an eyeshadow, and it's a beautiful nude, peachy nude color, and it's matte. It can be a really good transition shade, and it can be used as a blush as well. Really nice color. It's a bit chalky, but I really love the color. And the best part of this eyeshadow is that back of it you can see there's a small little mirror, so you can just travel with it, and it also have like a dual sponge tip, but it's all gone. Like it's broken, it's ruined. Oh my god, it's of no use. I'm just gonna throw it away. Anyways, I usually don't use sponge tips. That comes with these kind of eyeshadows. I'll be using my brushes, but the color is nice. The only thing is it is looking a little chalky, but I still have to like wear it on my eyes to test this in real. So yeah, that was all the contents I got in Glamstory box. I got total 7 of the products, and out of 7, 4 were of makeup. Yes, and as a makeup lover, I love receiving makeup products rather than skincare. But there are 3 skincare products and 4 makeup products, so it's very good deal. And this box is not even expensive. It's around 350 I think. Yeah, I'll just mention it in the description box. I'm not sure of the price right now, but I will be mentioning it in the description box, and you can just check it out on scriber.com, or you can just go on their site. And I will definitely recommend going for this box because you are getting lots of products, especially makeup. So I am excited about all the things I got in this box. There's nothing which I am not happy about. So I really loved this box. And I just forgot to tell you about the price of the eyeshadow. Okay, so they said that this is a blusher. It's AO Lily blusher and it retails for 99 Indian rupees. But from the packaging and the sponge tip, I thought it was an eyeshadow. But definitely it's a very good color for blush as well, and it can be a very good transition shade, so I can use in any form. Yeah, that's it for the Glamstory March 2019 box. So that's it for the video, and if you really like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then please do hit the subscribe button, join my family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye bye.